Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 50 that I have used in Tulip Splash Smiles and Giggles blanket. This I have worked with Hobby Store special DK yarn named Lipstick with color code 1246. This stitch can be worked over any number of chains or stitches, and it is worked in the third loop of the half double crochets. It is also known as camel stitch. Okay, let us begin. To begin with, let us make half double crochet row once. So in the very first one, I am not making a chain one. I am just pulling to a little bit to the height of a half double crochet, yarn over, insert in the very first stitch, make the first half double crochet, yarn over, second, third, continue till the end, one half double crochet in each of the stitches across. I shall meet you at the end over here. I've come to the end of the row here. Turn your work, place your very first half double crochet normally, pull up the loop a little bit. I am not making a chain one and turning, just I am doing the first half double crochet straight away. From here on, you are going to place your half double crochets in the third loop or the back loop, like you have 1, 2 and 3. Over here we are going to place this is one way. The other way is, so we have 1, 2 and 3, the front third loop. We are going to place the stitches here. So when you do this, see what is happening behind. So these V's are turned here. Okay, so I will work the entire row in the front third loop, the third loop of the half double crochets, and get back to you at the end of the row here. So yarn over here in this stitch, this loop. Normally we take the top loops and work. Here we are working only in the third loop. So complete till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. So you come to the end of the row here. The last one, you place the half double crochet normally. And turn your work. So this is how the embossed pattern will be formed. The ribbing like figure will be formed horizontally. So again, we make a half double crochet normal one in the very first stitch, yarn over, and again we work this row in the third loop. So here we are using the third loop on the front side, not the one at the back. So that way this becomes a reversible stitch. So the ribbing is found on this side as well as this side. On both the sides you will find the ribbing. A texture like a nice texture is formed. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. Completed this row 2, second row, and the third row is again the same. So pull up the loop, make normal double crochet, not double crochet, sorry, half double crochet, and then in the third loop continue the pattern till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. We've come to the end of the row and I have placed my last half double crochet here. So for the blanket I'm going to stop with this. So we have 2 ribs here and 1 rib at the back. The next row is your normal double crochet row. I shall post a picture after completing that at the end of the video. So this is how the pattern will look. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.